Hey there, creator. If you're ready to take your social media game to the next level and start attracting more leads and sales organically, then I have something special for you. I want to personally invite you to join the Creator Nation community, your go-to hub for mastering Instagram marketing and scaling your online coaching business. When you join, you'll learn how to generate your next 100 plus leads in 14 days or less. And when you upgrade to Elite, you'll get access to my exact done-for-you step-by-step content system and automated workflows implemented into your online coaching business, helping eliminate manual work and save you time and money, helping you take your visibility and sales to new heights, all without spending a dime on ads. And here's just a sneak peek of what you'll get inside. 1, my Instagram Marketing Mastery mini course, valued at $497, your step-by-step guide to turning Instagram into a sales machine. 2nd, my 2 best-selling ebooks, The Proven Ultimate Hook and Reel Guide and Instagram Strategy Secrets, valued at $194, the exact strategies I use to create scroll-stopping content, and my 100 plus AI ChatGPT prompts to find fresh content ideas and create content effortlessly, valued at $99 for free, and so you never run out of content ideas again. Plus weekly Q&A calls with me to answer all of your burning questions, to get direct access to personalized coaching, usually valued at $500. Plus a supportive community of like-minded creators and individuals helping you stay motivated and inspired so you're not alone, which is priceless. All of this with a total value of close to $1,300, but yours for $0. I've scaled my coaching business to multiple 6 figures per year, and inside I'm sharing the exact content strategies, business tips, mindset tips that have helped me get there. No fluff, no gimmicks, just essentials you need to start enrolling clients at the prices you deserve. So what are you waiting for? Join the Creator Nation community today to start transforming your social media into a powerful client attraction machine. I can't wait to see you on the inside.